Rack damage comes with a number of interesting consequences. One of the most important ones is the amount of downtime suffered by warehouse operators as they await a potential fix. Rack repair is an engineered solution to address rack damage. It restores the load capacity of your upright when done the right way. It's installed using a patented device that removes the stress on the upright as the fix is being done. And from that point forward, you now have a built-in protection solution, which in Damotech's situation is guaranteed for life against impact. We use a web-based portal to input information from a rack safety standpoint, where the managers, wherever they're connected, whether it's on a tablet, a mobile device, or on their desktop, they can access all of that vital information on their warehouse from one of those devices, and then manage them as they go to ensure that the issues are getting taken care of and that the most high priority or unload situations that we have faced now get eradicated. By picking a solution that is more quickly manufactured and more quickly installed, goes straight to the bottom line. My name is Mark Rousseau, Vice President of National Accounts and Strategic Partnerships at Damotech.